In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars per month selling other people's products on platforms like Pinterest. If you take a look at the computer screen right now, you'll see I have another person's account pulled up. Her name is Rachel Meters, and she promotes products found on Amazon through affiliate marketing. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Austin. We talk all things entrepreneurship and making money online. We specifically talk about affiliate marketing because it's one of my favorite business models. Affiliate marketing is when we promote somebody else's product and we receive a percentage of the sale anytime a sale occurs, right? So for example, Amazon, if you jump over to Amazon.com or any other big box retailer like Best Buy, Target, Walmart, it doesn't matter. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, they'll usually have a link somewhere in the footer that says become an affiliate. And you can see right here, it says become an affiliate. If we click that link, you can see you can recommend products and earn commissions. Again, there's plenty of other retailers out there that do this. We'll just use Amazon for today's example. You see, all you have to do is sign up, recommend products, and earn commission. You could earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So the commission structure varies dependent on the specific category you're in, from like electronics to home goods, kitchen, and stuff like that. But you can see upwards of 10% is the highest they do pay out on Amazon specifically, right? So let's jump back to this account on Pinterest and look at what Rachel is doing. You can take a look at her page. You can see she gets over 1.4 million monthly views by just posting simple videos on her page. These videos talk about Amazon products, right? You can see right here, Amazon on the go gadgets and Amazon bathroom gadgets, and she's showing little demonstrations of these Amazon gadgets, right? But you're probably wondering, well, how does she actually get people to buy these? Well, she shows them the video, but then she links right here to her Amazon site. So let's just click her Amazon site and see what it does. It brings you to her personal Amazon store, right? So this Amazon store is unique to her. So anytime anybody clicks any of these products and they make a purchase, she gets the commission in the respective category of that particular product, right? So if you scroll down, you'll see there's a ton of different, she has it organized by categories right here. And then if we scroll down even more, I think she has it organized by just products. Oh, nope. But if we just click a category like stocking stuffers, I guess would be for like Christmas, you can see there's a bunch of little gadgets inside of this category. Pet and dog necessities, right? Filming and content creation. If you click it, it'll bring up all of the stuff that she uses or talks about in her videos, right? So what's awesome about this is anytime somebody makes a purchase, again, she does receive that commission, but not only that, anytime she brings somebody to the Amazon platform, they will pay her for anything they purchase. It doesn't have to be just something that they clicked on her profile. If someone was to go up to the search bar and type in 65-inch TV, and then they were to come in here and buy a 65-inch TV for $1,000 or what have you, Rachel will still receive that commission for that TV. And what's awesome is Amazon will cookie for 24 hours. So what that means is if the person does not buy immediately, but they do buy within the next 24 hours, a commission will still be granted over to Rachel or whoever the affiliate is, right? So you can do this too. So you probably were like, well, that's awesome, man. How do I get started? So what you would do is you would jump over to Amazon. You would scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, I'll show you again. Amazon.com, scroll down to the bottom and hit become an affiliate, okay? And then once you become an affiliate, you would want to just smash the sign up button and go through the process that it asks. It is going to ask you some questions, and be very mindful, answer these questions. If you leave a blank, then you're probably not going to get approved, right? It is kind of like an interview to see if you're a good fit to work with Amazon, quote unquote, work with them. You're not really working with them, but they don't just want people out there spamming their stuff. So they want to make sure that you're going to put in the work necessary to promote the brand, right? So that being said, if it says asks for a website, you're going to want to put a website in there. And that's usually the biggest problem people have, is they don't have a website yet, right? So if you need a website, I'll leave a link down below to show you how to create like your own blog, right? But if you want to have a website like Rachel has, where you could just go over to the storefront on Amazon. That is part of the Amazon influencer program, okay? So if you come over to the Amazon Associates page, same step, click become an affiliate, and instead of clicking sign up right here, just scroll down a little bit, and under the frequently asked questions, where it says, how do I qualify for this program? It tells you bloggers, publishers, and content creators with a qualifying website or mobile app can participate in this program. If you're an influencer with an established social media following, learn about the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you have some sort of influence on any social media platform like Instagram or YouTube, this would be a better fit for you, because what happens is you get to build the storefront just like we saw Rachel has, right? That's what I have. You don't have to have a gazillion followers or anything like that, but you do have to have a few followers. What I mean, for example, if you have an Instagram account that has probably greater than 1,000 followers, then I think you will be okay and you can apply for this. Again, I'm not sure what the exact threshold is, but I personally, from my understanding, believe it to be 500 followers. I always recommend you having 1,000 on Instagram, because their criteria, their threshold could be changed at any given time. And again, it's not disclosed anywhere, and so it's not set in stone that it is 500. I have just been told from some other resources that that is what it used to be, right? So when I got approved, I had like 2,000 or 3,000, I think, Instagram followers when I applied. So, and I was instantly approved, right? So what you would do, it's essentially the same thing, but you get a couple more features, which is super powerful, right? And this gives you a website. So now you don't have to go create a website, because you get to build your storefront on Amazon, right? Which will give you this right here. And once you get your stuff set up, it kind of shows you, once you're approved, it'll show you how to use it. They have their own kind of trainings and stuff that'll show you how to navigate the affiliate dashboard and get the affiliate links, right? And the affiliate link is the unique website address that is unique to you, what is that? It's cookied to you, to where whenever you put it out in front of your audience, you can get paid, right? So you probably don't have an audience again. So what you're going to do is go over to Pinterest and start creating videos, right? Maybe do some reviews of products you already have laying around your house. I know everybody has products in house, whether they're microphones, if they're camera people, they may have cameras, they may not, they may have iPhones. I know you got stuff in your kitchen. I don't care what it is. It could literally be plates, and you could talk about the plates, find them on Amazon, and link people directly to those plates, those bowls, the toaster, the blender. It does not matter. I know you have stuff. I hope you have a toothbrush. You could even talk about that, right? Use Pinterest to your benefits right now. And Pinterest video is awesome. They just created a new feature on your phone where you could do the little micro pins or whatever they're called. I don't even know what they're called, in the beta pin. I don't know what they're called, but download the Pinterest app. Post content. It's free to post. It's free to go find an affiliate link. And if you can't get approved for Amazon, there is always another site known as ClickBank. And if you go over to ClickBank, you can sign up for free. Just smash this sign up button right here. And it's 100% free to join. And you can go look at other things they have on there. They're more digital, like maybe like a weight loss recipe book, or like a keto diet or something like that. So if you're in the fitness niche, or if you want supplements or something, you could kind of go over here and promote these products, right? But definitely use Pinterest to your advantage right now. You can see, again, she has gotten over 1.4 million monthly views. So she is definitely getting traction. That's just the monthly views here. I know she is also on other platforms such as TikTok and Instagram as well. So I really hope you like this video. I really hope it helped you kind of get a better understanding of what affiliate marketing is and how you can see success with it today using Pinterest. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, smash the like button, and also subscribe if you do like content like this, so you'll be notified anytime I release more videos. We will see you in the next video.